Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Socalgas account and paying your bill online. Step 1. Visit the Socalgas website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Socalgas website by typing www.socalgas.com in the address bar. Step 2. Access My Account. Once you're on the Socalgas homepage, look for the My Account option. This is typically located at the top right corner of the website. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field and your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 4. Click on Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. Step 5. Navigate to Bill Payment. 2. Once you're logged into your account, look for the Billing or Pay My Bill section. This may be located in the main dashboard or a sidebar menu. Step 6. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Socalgas typically offers options like credit, debit cards, bank transfers, and other online payment methods. Step 7. Enter payment details. Fill in the necessary payment details, including your billing address if prompted. Ensure all information is correct to avoid payment issues. Step 8. Review and confirm payment. Before finalizing your payment, review all the details you have entered. Make sure the amount is correct and then confirm the transaction. Step 9. Payment confirmation. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation notification on the screen. Additionally, a confirmation email may be sent to your registered email address. Keep this for your records. Don't forget to follow these steps to make managing your Socalgas bills easier. If you found this video helpful, we appreciate your support. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching.